Should you sell your print-on-demand products on Redbubble or Etsy? In this video, I'll compare both platforms, traffic, sales potential, and profitability, so you'll know exactly which one makes more money in 2025. Hey, I'm Harry, and welcome to the Print Shop Pro. I make weekly videos to help you grow your print-on-demand business with Etsy, Redbubble, and more. If you're new, hit subscribe and let's dive in. For round one, let's start by looking at traffic. Let's go to similarweb.com and compare traffic from Etsy and Redbubble. We'll start here on the left at Etsy. We'll go down and see high level. In 2025, Etsy has 396 million visitors, whereas Redbubble has 19 million visitors. So right off the top, Etsy has far more visitors than Redbubble. As we scroll down, you can see comparisons, but let's see where Etsy's getting their traffic from. 50% direct, organic, and 10% paid. Here's a comparison of Redbubble versus Etsy. So again, Redbubble 19 million visitors, Etsy 400 million. Quite a significant difference. For round two, let's look at shop setup and control. For Etsy, you'll see you have full control over your shop. You can change the banner, you can change your name, you can change your icon over here, you can add all the categories you would like, you can add featured products, and you can change the way all your shirts are sorted. Whereas with Redbubble, it's more of just a storefront. All you can change is your icon. You can select your name, but that's it. You can't change any of this stuff. Redbubble's going to display it however they'd like. So in my opinion, Etsy gets the win for shop setup and customization. For round three, let's cover profitability and fees. For Etsy, there's a one-time setup fee of $29. They then charge 20 cents for every listing. So if you have 10 items, they charge an additional $2. Anytime the item sells and you relist the item, it charges an additional 20 cents. Whereas Redbubble, as you see over here, they charge anywhere from 50 to 20% of the profit, depending on the type of tier you have. With most people in the standard tier, you see a 50% fee. So on average, if you're selling on Etsy, a $25 shirt might cost $10 to $12 to print. You'll get about a $15 profit. Whereas on Redbubble, you'll see anywhere from 10 to 20%. So that $25 shirt's really going to give you like $3 to $5 profit. So with that said, again, I think Etsy's hands down the winner. For round four, let's talk about ease of use. Now this is the one area I think Redbubble hands down wins. All you have to do is hit add new work, you upload your design, and then here you just create a title. So Happy Moon, whatever tags you want to help the search engine find your listing, describe your listing, and then here it automatically adds your design to all of these different items: hats, shirts, phone cases, pillows, curtains, mugs, you name it, buttons, backpacks, socks. You go down here, you hit, is this mature content? No, and you hit save work. Just like that, it's listed. For Etsy, you have to go in, manually add your item, add all the photos, select what categories you're selling. So if you're selling a shirt, you have to go line by line, item by item. You have to connect to Printify. You have to make sure those two platforms are integrated. So, and then still all the tags, descriptions, prices. So for that reason, I think Redbubble hands down wins the two. So which platform should you choose? If you want quick uploads, passive sales, and ease of use, I would say Redbubble. If you want higher profits and brand growth, I would say Etsy. Either way, you're going to need great designs to stand out. I would recommend Creative Fabrica for graphics, fonts, and design assets. It saved me hours, and I'm sure it will you too. I've left a link below if you want to check it out. If this helped you at all, please hit the like and subscribe button for more print-on-demand tutorials, and watch this next video where I'll share the top 10 print-on-demand niches to start in 2025. Thanks for watching.